Hello everyone. Welcome back to HRHelpboard YouTube channel. Today, we will explore the dynamic field of training and development in HRM, empowering success for an organization. In this video, we will dive into the following topics of training development. 1. What is training and development in HRM? 2. Meaning definition of training and development. 3. Definition of training and development by HR experts. 4. Difference between training vs development. 5. Types of training. 6. Training methods used by HRM. 7. Needs of training and development. 8. Importance of training and development. 9. Objectives of training and development. 10. Benefits training and development. What is training and development in HRM? Training and development in the context of human resource management HRM refers to the systematic process of enhancing employees' knowledge, skills, abilities, and competencies to improve their performance and contribute to the organization's success.
Meaning definition of training and development in HRM. Meaning. Training and development programs are designed to upgrade the employee's skills, knowledge, and competencies to perform their job. HRM in an organization provides a learning opportunity to the employee to increase their work capacities and get ready to meet future job challenges. Definition. Training and development in HRM is defined as a system used by an organization to improve the skills and performance of the employees. Effective T&D initiative based on training needs analysis results enhancing the skills of the employee, improve productivity.
Definition of training and development by HR experts. Definition by the eminent authors experts. Khan. Training and development is described as a maintenance subsystem, intended to improve organizational efficiency by increasing routinization and predictability of behavior. Lucier. Training is a process of acquiring the skills necessary to perform a job, and development is the ability to perform both present and future jobs. McLagan. Training and development focuses on identifying, assuring, and helping develop, through planned learning, the key competencies that enable individuals to perform current or future jobs. Difference between training vs development. What is training? Training focuses on enhancing specific job-related skills and knowledge. Training is the process through which skills, knowledge, and aptitudes of the employees are increased to perform the specific job prescribed to them. Training and development in HRM addresses skill gaps, enhances employee performance, and promotes professional growth. What is development? Development emphasizes the overall growth and capabilities of employees. In HRM, development is the process by which employees examine their personalities, skills, and abilities, as well as their hopes and ambitions, to discover and evolve into the person they want to be and achieve physical, psychological, and creative growth in their personality. Why training and development needed? It is needed for 1. Enhancing employee skills and knowledge, 2. Adaptation to technological advancements, 3. Increased employee engagement and job satisfaction, for addressing performance gaps, 5. Career development and succession planning. Types of training. Training methods are categorized as traditional and modern methods. Traditional training methods. 1. Off-the-job training methods, 2. On-the-job training methods, 3. Interactive training methods, modern training methods. 1. Social learning methods, 2. Online training methods, 3. Outdoor training methods. Common types of training and development are 1. On-the-job training, 2. Classroom training, 3. E-learning, 4. Simulations, 5. Mentoring, 6. Coaching, 7. Job rotation. Objectives of training and development. The objectives are to achieve specific goals such as 1. Increased job performance, 2. Bridging skills gaps, 3. Facilitation of professional growth, 4. Supporting organizational goals, 5. Cultivating learning culture. Benefits of training and development. Some benefits of training and development are 1. Skill enhancement. Training and development programs help the employees in gaining new skills. 2. Career advancement. By gaining new skills, employees become more qualified for promotion. 3. Increased productivity. Well-trained employees will be more proficient and efficient in their work. For increased job satisfaction among employees is enhanced, leading to higher level of engagement. 5. Adaptability to change. Employees adapt to technological advancements and changing job requirements as training equips the employees with the skills and knowledge. We hope you found this training development video informative and inspiring. Remember, training and development play a vital role in unlocking potential and driving organizational success. Visit www.HRHelpboard.com and keep learning about HR. Goodbye, see you again.